Every day we're calculating. In this episode, we are going to be talking about dividing fractions. Now, there's different ways to divide fractions, and I'm going to show you two different ways by a whole number, and you're going to see the difference between the two. One, you're going to get a whole number as an answer, and the next one, you're going to get a fraction of an answer. All right, so division of a whole number by a unit fraction. So I have 4 divided by 1/5. So I'm going to take my first number, 4, which is also my dividend, and I am going to model that. So I am going to draw 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. Now, each box I am going to divide by my divisor. I'm going to split it up into 5 sections because I'm dividing by 1/5. So my first box of 4, I'm going to divide into 5 sections, and it's going to leave me with 5 pieces. My second box, I am going to divide into 5 sections, and that leaves me with 5 pieces, which now I have 10. My third box, again, divided into 5 sections, and altogether I have 15 pieces. You see the pattern. I'm just counting by 5s. And my fourth one, divided into 5 sections, and that leaves me with another 5 pieces, altogether 20 pieces. So 4 divided by 1/5 is 20 because I have 20 total 1/5 pieces. Multiplication and division are inverse operations. So I can say that 20 times 1/5 is 4. I can do the reverse. Just like 4 divided by 1/5 is 20, I have 20 1/5 pieces and put them all together, it would give me 4 wholes because every 5 pieces gives me a whole. Now for the second one, you're dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. So I have 1/3 divided by 4. So the first number again is the number that I'm going to draw. So 1/3, and I am going to shade in 1 out of 3 pieces. Then I am going to split this into 4 sections. Now your answer is one of those pieces out of how many total? 1/12. I took 1/3, I split it into 4 equal sections, and one of those sections out of 12 is my answer. Another way that you can do this mathematically, KFC, keep, flip, change. Everybody knows KFC. That's an easy way to remember when you're dividing fractions. So what does that mean? The K stands for keep. Keep the very first fraction you have. 1/3 is what I want to keep. That means it stays the same. If I want to flip, I am flipping my second fraction. That's called the reciprocal. My second fraction is 4, which is 4 wholes, but if I want to make that a fraction, it's 4/1. If I want to flip that, instead of 4/1, it's going to be 1/4. So you're just flipping the numerator and the denominator. And change is you're changing the division sign to the opposite of division, which is multiplication. So now my problem reads 1/3 times 1/4. Multiply those numerators, multiply those denominators. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 4 is 12, and that gives you 1/12.